These are nifty spoons.
I know, right? They're so cool.
Nifty's like my word. I say that all the time.
Okay, so like, I put it on upside down.
You put one on
I
upside
put the
down.
label on upside down.
Good job,
I'm so
Jasmine.
stupid. Oh yeah, we're gonna eat oatmeal with apples and cinnamon.
Baby food. Look, baby food.
That's Gerber. I wonder if his name's really Gerber.
What is a Gerber?
I don't know. We should like look up in the dictionary. That's what we're doing right now. We're gonna cha-cha it.
Oh yeah, cha-cha. What is a Gerber? Who's Gerber and why is he on the baby food?
I'm supposed to shake it. What do I do with it?
Shake, shake.
I'm gonna take this off like these directions.
Why is there a band-aid
Because
on it?
I like ripped it off because I was trying to like read like, oh my god, what is going on with this thing? Like I didn't get, oh my gosh, I didn't get the label. Well, I don't know.
Why do you have to un-band-aid it to open it?
Because like I put a band-aid on it because I opened it up and then I messed up and I put it back on and then I put it back on upside down. Because I'm stupid. How does this work? Okay.
You open it.
You have to do like that? Can you twist it? You open bottles? You can open, oh, I got it.
That's why you have to hit it.
So weird.
What's it smell like?
It smells good, but like it looks funky.
Like applesauce.
It looks funky.
It smells like applesauce and like
Stir
gingerbread
it.
houses.
Let me see that spoon. It's longer.
Ew.
Ew.
It's all
It's all
chunky.
like chunky. Hold on. Ew. How does it like?
Smells like
It smells really
ape
good.
shit.
How would you know what that smells like? Katie? Alright, I'm just gonna eat the top part first. Alright. If you want to use that spoon, go ahead. Or we can share a spoon. I don't care.
Tastes like toothpaste. Is it just me or does it taste like toothpaste?
It feels like toothpaste. Like I'm eating toothpaste. Should we heat it up?
Yeah.
Alright. Alright. We
Heated up the baby food.
really crappy graphics on this thing. I don't want to.
Can you see the steam? Sizzling. Look, you can see it.
You like sort of. It's like that's like over there.
Yeah, right there. Let's get into the shindig. Wrong word. It's all wet and such.
Slimy.
It smells good now.
Ew.
What if it burns my tongue?
Spit it out. Onto the toilet paper. Here, Janie.
Give me a bib.
Let's make bibs. How's this gonna work?
Like a tie.
It's just like rolls sticking out everywhere.
It all starts with the rolls, Jasmine.
It all starts with the rolls. I'm like flying.
Alright, let's go.
It's not that bad. It's kind of weird. Like, I'd rather have
It's kinda
regular.
tasty.
I'd rather have regular oatmeal.
Yeah. I don't even like oatmeal in person.
It's really weird.
Why is it so pasty?
Like an old lady.
It's like losing my taste buds.
It doesn't have like barely any flavor.
Why don't you get like peanut butter or something?
I don't think it's peanut butter. I grabbed one.
Peanut butter flavored baby food.
Can I have that? It's really weird.
That's like a baby spoon.
Yeah, it's my baby spoon. You're burning.
Shove it all in your mouth like a baby does and like spit it out. Like Ew, it's on my leg.
Here, Jane, you have to feed
I can
me.
wipe it on my bed.
No,
I have to feed you?
Yeah, no, I get to feed you.
Oh crap.
So close.
Not the whole thing.
Here.
You put more back in it.
You're just like, here, I'll pull it out. Here. How'd you eat from my spoon?
Okay.
It's gonna burn.
It's still in the roof of my mouth.
Oh my god.
Disgusting.
Ew.
Your turn.
Okay.
Big spoonful. Look at Jane. Her turn to You gotta wipe it off your mouth now.
Oh my god.
Is it hot?
Not really.
We should put it in the oven.
The oven, really? I burned it.
You should get like cracker crumbs for it. Okay, I'm done.
Yeah, I know. Mom said to eat it all on my phone too.
Feed it to the cat.
No. My cat would like throw up everywhere.
Make Dixie eat it.
Yes, we'll make Dixie eat it. Oh yeah. This has to go out to somebody. Like people. The video.
Okay.
Alright. First, this goes out to Eric. And
Eric.
Brandon Hoke.
Who's Brandon Hoke? Whoever you are, this goes to you.
Yeah. And who else is there?
Zoe Millard.
Yeah,
Nicole.
Zoe.
Zoe Nicole Millard. And then
What about the pickle?
Tickle Tickle Break My Pickle?
Who else?
What about a pickle?
That person with the thrust.
Jonathan Huffman.
That guy.
My
The
boyfriend. I love you. Okay.
And that's nasty.
Ew.
Ew, I'm keeping that bottle, by the way.
You keep. Oh, I thought you were gonna say I'm keeping that toilet paper. By the way.
Yeah, definitely. Ew, it's everywhere. Oh yeah, who else is there? There's somebody else, like a bunch of other people. I can't remember. This goes out to
Samuel,
everybody.
Even though she wasn't here tonight
oh yeah,
and bailed.
And Savannah.
And
Yeah.
some chick with the name.
You said Brenda. Who's Brenda?
Who's Brenda? I don't know a Brenda.
No, it's Brianna and Haley.
Oh, I thought it was Brenna.
Everyone calls her Brenna. I don't know why, but yeah, it's Brianna. And at least I think it is. Maybe it really is Brenna. I think it's Brianna. But yeah, and oh yeah, and Vincent. Yeah, that guy. Face.
JK, love you.
JK, love you. Okay, that's it. Oh yeah, and everyone else that
Didn't make it. We don't love you quite as much, but
yeah,
almost.
almost as much.
Bye.